All right, number 7, we want to perform the operation that's indicated. We have 6 times k minus 8, all in parentheses, and we are subtracting 4 times k minus 6. We have to distribute a negative, and that's going to change the signs of both terms in the second set of parentheses. There is no number being multiplied times the first set of parentheses, so we can just simply drop them. We can't simplify. There's nothing that we can do, so everything is done. So we'll bring down 6k minus 8, and then this will become a negative 4k, and then negative times a negative 6 will become a positive 6. Very important that you understand you need to distribute that negative. A lot of people make the mistake of just writing a minus 4k, leaving that negative, and then you end up getting it wrong. So be careful with that. At this point, we're going to combine like terms. So the 6k and the 4k are alike. They both have a number and a letter k, same letter. So we're going to do 6 minus 4. That's going to leave us with a positive 2k. And then the 8 and 6 are both whole numbers. We will combine those. So you have a negative 8, positive 6. When you combine those, you'll get a negative 2. So our final answer will be 2k minus 2. Okay, so I made a mistake. I didn't write down the negative here. So let me fix that. This should have been a negative. When I do negative times negative, that will make this positive. Okay, and so this will not be correct. Got to be write down the right problem. So now we'll do 6 plus 4. That will give us a 10k instead, and then we should still get a minus 2. So be careful, I didn't write down the original problem correctly, and therefore it shows. And now we can go back up here and just change this to 10k and recheck it, and should be good. All right. Number 8, we're going to be multiplying an expression. So I'm going to use this corner. Number 8. We have 3 over 4 times, I'm guessing that's 3 over 4x, okay, not times, and then we have 12x plus 16. Okay. Whenever you have a fraction like this you're multiplying, you're going to be doing both. You're going to be multiplying by 3, and then you're going to be dividing by 4. I like to try to make it smaller first. So what I would do is I would just go ahead and distribute this 1 over 4 and divide by 4 first. So I'm going to leave the 3x out, and then I'm going to rewrite this as 12x divided by 4, and then plus 16 divided by 4. Okay, so that is the same as distributing property, but we're just distributing a division. Once we do that, we'll get 3x. 12 divided by 4 will leave us with 3 and then x, and 16 divided by 4 will leave us with 4. And then at this point it's a little bit simpler because I don't have the fraction anymore. Now I can just multiply. So 3 times 3 will give me 9. X times x, 1 plus 1 give me x squared, property of exponent there. And then 3x times 4 will give me 12x. Okay. So this is the simplified answer that we want. So I'm going to say 9 and then add an exponent. Nope. 9x, and then we'll add the exponent. Squared, and then plus 12x.